Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device without entering the Apple ID password. So if you want to sign out your Apple ID without entering the Apple ID password, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can sign out Apple ID from your iPhone device without entering the Apple ID password. So here you can see that when I try to sign out my Apple ID from my iPhone device, it's asking me for entering the Apple ID password. So how you can sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device without entering the password. So in this video, I will tell you two solutions through which you can easily sign out your Apple ID if you don't have password of your Apple ID. So first of all, here you will have to open your iPhone home screen. So here you will need to search for password application. Here password application, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to enter your password. So after that, here you will see this type interface. Here you can see that here are the different options available. Here tap on all, and here is the my Apple ID on my, that is I have signed in on this device, and here is the password of that Apple ID. I can view the password from here, then I can enter this password there, and after that I will be able to sign out my Apple ID if I have forgotten password of my Apple ID. So the second solution is here you need to open again settings, then tap on your Apple ID profile, and here you will find the sign in and security option. Tap on this. Then you will need to wait for a few minutes. So after that, here you will see this type interface. Here is the option of change password. You will need to tap on this. Then here you will need to enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you will have to enter new Apple ID password which you want to set, and here you will need to retype your password. Then this will your new Apple ID password. Then after that, you can easily sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device if you have forgotten your Apple ID password after updating your iPhone device with the latest version iOS 18 or later. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.